Hello again everyone. In this video tutorial we are going to find the factors for this given quadratic trinomial whose leading coefficient is not 1. Let me show you a super easy way to find the factors. I want you to just put down two parentheses right up here. So the next thing I want you to just look at this part only, 15x. As you can see, this over here, as you can see, this 15x, just disregard this exponent. So I'm going to put down 15x right up here in the first parentheses and 15x in the second parentheses. So the next step, I want you to look at this 15 on the left hand side, this end number, and negative 8 on the right hand side, end number. I want you to multiply these two numbers out. 15 times negative 8 is negative 120. So I want you to place this negative 120 right on the top over here in this diagram. Now I want you to look at the middle number, which is negative 14. That's going to go at the bottom over here, negative 14. Now our next step is I want you to find two factors of negative 120. If you add them, that should add or subtract them, you should get negative 14. So obviously those two numbers are positive 6 and negative 20. So those are our two numbers. If you multiply them, you're going to get negative 120, and if you add them, that's going to give you negative 14. So let me go ahead and put down positive 6 in the very first parentheses and put down negative 20 in the second parentheses. Now in the next step, I want you to just focus on the very first parentheses. Look at these numbers, 15 and 6. I want you to find the GCF for these two numbers. GCF means that find the largest number that divides into both of these numbers at the same time. So the GCF obviously is going to be 3. So I want you to divide both of these numbers by 3. Look at now this second parentheses. We have the numbers are 15 and 20. I want you to look at these, find the GCF for these two numbers. The GCF means the largest number that divides into both of them at the same time, and that's going to be obviously 5. I want you to divide both these numbers by 5. Let's go ahead and simplify now. So that's going to be 5x plus 2, and in the second parentheses, that's going to, if you simplify, 3x minus 4, and these are our factors. So thus 5x plus 2 and 3x minus 4 are our factors for this given quadratic trinomial. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.